Hare Krishna. I'll be speaking about Vanamali Pandit. Vanamali Pandita Sakha Vikhyate Jagate Shonara Moshala Hala Dekhila Prabhu Rahate, as in the Chaitanya Charitamrit 1.10.73. Vanamali Pandit, the 35th branch of the tree, was very celebrated in this world. He saw a golden club and plough in the hands of the Lord. Vanmali Pandit saw Lord Chaitanya in the ecstasy of Balaram. This is described vividly in the Chaitanya Bhagavat Antya Leela. Vanmali Thakur was an incarnation of Sudama Brahman who was afflicted by great poverty and obtained great wealth from the Lord, as in the Sri Gaur Ganodesh Dipika by Kavi Karnapura. Vanamali Brahman gets mercy, as in the Chaitanya Mangala Madhya Khand chapter 7 by Lochandas Thakur. All glories to Gadadhar, Gauranga and Narahari. One who hears the transcendental pastimes of Lord Vishwambhar will easily attain love for Krishna. Now listen to a wonderful pastime that took place in Navdweep. One day, Mahaprabhu sat in his home along with his intimate associates. His face beaming blissfully, the Lord was speaking nectarian words. Suddenly, a Brahmin named Vanamali arrived from East Bengal with his son. He was very happy to see the Lord and his devotees. In a choked-up voice, Vanamali said to himself, "I became poor and lost my purity, so I have come here, seeking the Lord's help. I am sure that Vishwambhar is none other than God himself. By seeing him, the abode of all transcendental knowledge, my heart is pacified and I have attained perfection. As one gets healthy by drinking nectar, similarly my sufferings have vanished simply by seeing Lord Gauranga." Lord Vishwambhar looked compassionately upon the Brahmin and his son. He sang the glories of Hari and gave them the treasure of Krishna Prem. Vanamali and his son danced in ecstasy. Within a moment, their suffering disappeared. Lord Gauranga is the ocean of mercy and the best friend of the poor. The next day, Gaura Nataraj, the king of dancers, danced exuberantly in the midst of his Sankirtan party. Vanamali and his son became enchanted by a most extraordinary sight. Gauranga appeared as a beautiful young boy with a body the color of a monsoon cloud. The Lord was wearing bright yellow cloth, held a flute, and had a peacock feather in his hair. All of Gauranga's followers took forms as cowherd boys of Raja. Vanamali also saw Radharani and Shyam Sundar in the topmost pleasure groves of Vrindavan. He saw Giriraj Govardhan, the Yamuna river, Bahulavan, Bhandirvan, Madhuvan, and other places in Vrindavan. They saw the cows, Gopas, Gopis, Gopals, and the desire trees. Seeing that Madan Gopal had now appeared in Navdweep, Vanamali and his Brahmin son succumbed to ecstasy and fell flat on the earth. The Vanamali Brahmin hiked up his dhoti and jumped around roaring, "Krishna! Krishna! Krishna!" Mahaprabhu stopped his captivating dance and had someone restrain the Brahmin. In this way, Lord Gauranga frees anyone from his karmic reactions and gives him love of God. Gaurasundar is decorated with a celestial garland and sandalwood paste. He has no material attachments. Gaurahari is known as Navavidhata Ratna, the ever youthful, gem-like supreme controller. The Lord has nothing to do, yet he acts in the material world for the benefit of others. Gauranga freely distributes Krishna Prem to everyone. Maladhara, who had formerly carried Lord Krishna's Venu and Murli flutes in Vrajabhumi, later appeared as Vanamali Pandit, who was very dear to Lord Chaitanya, as in the Sri Gaur Ganodesh Dipika by Kavi Karnapura. Thank you, Hare Krishna.